Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be drawing Spawn on black paper. Now for step 1, I'm going to be using a white color pencil so I can lightly outline the entire face, and I will be leaving the negative space as the black toned paper, so that's going to be our shadows and part of his face. And as always, I will be leaving all of the materials in the comment section below so that you can see which pencils and materials that I used. Now for the next step, what I'm going to be using is compressed charcoal sticks and a pencil. So this I'm going to be using as a medium tone and just use some highlights on the edges of his face where I know the light will be coming in, which is mainly going to be from the top right, while still keeping everything fairly light and medium without going too harsh, so that if we do need to erase, it won't be so hard to lift up some of the pigments. Now for the following section, because we are going to be using the compressed charcoal, which tends to be very dusty and can spread and smudge everywhere, I do recommend using some white paper or some tracing paper right underneath to prevent your hands from smudging, and this is going to definitely help with that process. Along with that, we are going to be using some blending stumps in various sizes, and this is going to help spread out all of that compressed charcoal to help fill in any gaps that we need to just make sure the form is blending in correctly from light to medium to dark, and also leave in room for some highlights. And I will be using them around the eyes, and just any small details will help fill all that in. To the final step, well, I'm going to be using various erasers and different sizes, from kneaded erasers, eraser pencils, and eraser sticks, and this is going to help us lift any unwanted pigments and just refine any edges and keep everything clean and smooth. Alright, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting, and yeah, I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.